Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today we are making homemade tea time biscuits that are crispy on the outside, light inside and perfect with a hot cup of tea. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 egg into a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Homemade biscuits have been a favorite tea time treat in many homes. Whisk well until the sugar completely dissolves. Whisk the sugar well until it dissolves for a smoother dough. Now pour in 3 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything until well combined. Vanilla adds a rich aroma that makes simple biscuits even more delicious. Add 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sieve all the dry ingredients together. Mix until a soft dough comes together. Cover the dough and let it rest for 5 minutes. Lightly grease your hands with a little oil. Take a small portion of the dough. Roll it gently and shape it as shown. Making biscuits by hands let you create fun shapes and patterns. Create a simple pattern using a knife. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully place the biscuit into the oil. Fry on medium heat until both sides become golden brown and crispy. Always fry on medium heat so the biscuits look evenly and become perfectly crispy. Homemade biscuits contain no artificial preservative. Freshly fried homemade biscuits have a unique crispiness that's hard to beat. Milk powder adds a creamy taste along with calcium. Your homemade tea time biscuits are ready. Golden, crispy and full of homemade goodness, they are the perfect companion for your favorite cup of tea. Make a fresh batch, share them with your family and enjoy every crunchy bite. Follow an oven cake and cookies for more easy baking recipes, homemade biscuit and delicious dessert.